The Dirty Dozen in Aviation Maintenance. Welcome. In this video, we will explore human factors, dirty dozen, and pressure. First, we will start by introducing the dirty dozen. Next, we will cover pressure cooker and then present taking control. Finally, we will discuss recommendations and good practices and conclude with a brief summary. Let's begin by introducing the Dirty Dozen. The Dirty Dozen identifies 12 common human error traps that can lead to accidents and incidents. Today, we'll focus on one of them, pressure. Let's continue with pressure cooker. Deadlines loom, resources are stretched, and everyone expects results. Pressure is a natural part of the job, but when it starts affecting your ability to focus and perform tasks safely, it's time to take a step back. Pressure can come from external sources like tight deadlines, understaffing, or client demands. However, often the greatest pressure comes from within ourselves. We may take on too much, try to be superheroes, or fear letting others down. Let's move on to taking control. The good news is that you can manage pressure and avoid costly mistakes. Learn to be assertive. It's okay to say no, ask for help, or voice concerns. Effective communication with colleagues, clients, and management is key. Discuss deadlines realistically and don't hesitate to ask for additional resources. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Now, let's proceed with recommendations and good practices. Here are some tips to stay on top of pressure. 1. Plan and prioritize tasks. Break down large projects into smaller steps and focus on the most critical ones first. 2. Take breaks. Mental and physical breaks can help you recharge and come back stronger. 3. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A balanced you is a resilient you. 4. Identify your limits. Know when you've reached your capacity and seek help from colleagues. Let's finish with the conclusion. By recognizing the signs of pressure and learning effective coping mechanisms, you can make smart decisions and ensure your own safety, as well as the safety of those around you. Remember, we are all in this together. A strong team communicates openly, supports each other, and prioritizes quality work over unrealistic deadlines. Don't let pressure become a recipe for disaster. Together, we can create a safe and productive work environment for everyone.